Good morning, David. Thanks for coming in today.
Good morning. It's great to be here.
Did you find the office okay? San Francisco traffic can be quite unpredictable.
Yes, the directions were very clear. Thank you for having me. I actually arrived a bit early, so I had time to grab a coffee.
Perfect. So let's dive in. Can you walk me through your background?
Absolutely. I recently graduated from UC Berkeley with a degree in computer science. During my studies, I completed an internship at a machine learning startup. I worked on data pre-processing pipelines. I've always been fascinated by AI, and your company's focus on NLP really excites me.
That's interesting. What specifically about natural language processing appeals to you?
I think the ability for machines to understand and generate human language is groundbreaking. During my internship, I saw how chatbots could improve customer service efficiency by 40%. I want to be part of building tools that make technology more accessible.
That's a great perspective. Now let me ask you something technical. Can you explain in simple terms how a large language model works?
Sure, I'd be happy to explain that. Essentially, a large language model is trained on massive amounts of text data. It learns patterns in language by predicting the next word in a sequence. Through this process, it develops an understanding of grammar, context, and even some reasoning abilities. Models like GPT use transformer architecture, which helps them process relationships between words efficiently.
Good explanation. You clearly understand the fundamentals.
Thank you. It's a topic I genuinely enjoy discussing.
Now, what do you see as the biggest ethical concerns with AI right now?
That's a really important question. I'd say bias in training data is a major concern. If the data reflects societal biases, the AI will reproduce those biases too. There's also the issue of transparency. Users should know when they're interacting with AI. And of course, job displacement is something we need to address as a society.
Those are all valid points. Now tell me about a challenging project you worked on. How did you handle the obstacles you encountered?
During my internship, I was tasked with improving a text classification model. The initial accuracy was only 72%. I researched different approaches and decided to implement data augmentation techniques. I also fine-tuned the hyperparameters. It took several iterations to get it right. After all that work, we reached 89% accuracy. The key was being persistent. I learned not to be afraid to try different solutions when something isn't working.
That's impressive improvement. I love hearing about that kind of persistence. How do you stay updated with the rapidly changing AI field?
I follow several AI researchers on social media. I also read papers on Eric Sieve regularly. I'm part of a local machine learning meetup group, which is great for networking and learning. I also take online courses. I recently completed a specialization in deep learning. I believe continuous learning is essential in this field.
That's exactly the mindset we look for. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to grow into a senior developer role, potentially leading a small team. I'm particularly interested in specializing in NLP applications. Ultimately, I want to contribute to products that have real-world impact. I also want to continue developing both my technical and leadership skills.
Those are well thought out goals. Do you have any questions for me about the role or the company?
Yes, I do. Could you tell me more about the team structure? I'm also curious about what a typical project cycle looks like here. And I'd love to hear about opportunities for mentorship and professional development.
Those are great questions. The team has 8 developers and we work in 2-week sprints. We definitely encourage mentorship. Every new hire is paired with a senior developer. We'll be in touch within a week with next steps. Thanks again for coming in, David.
Thank you so much for your time, Sarah. I really enjoyed learning more about the company. I'm very excited about this opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you.